Hey y'all, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to Lauren Loves Lugs. Today we about to put these press-on nails on today that I got from Walmart because the nail shop been busting heads lately. So first thing you want to do is clean off the surface that you're using. I just use a Clorox wipe and I'm about to prep everything. So I just put a yellow towel down because it was just the only towel that I really had available. And then I'm going to show you the items that we're going to use today. So we're using pure acetone, nail polish remover, nail clippers, cuticle pusher, regular nail polish without the acetone, a nail file, and I'm going to show you a bigger one. But these are the nails that we're using today that I got from Walmart. The gold fingernails, they actually are the best quality nails that as far as press-ons that I've ever gotten before. And we're going to use these dollar store cotton balls. So I'm just prepping the area. First thing you want to do is take the regular nail polish remover and I just swipe my fingertips with this with a cotton pad, and that's just to remove any excess oils and stuff that I have on my fingers. I did actually wear press-ons before, so there's a little bit of glue that's stuck on there. That's why it seems a little shiny and you see like the discoloration on my fingernails because I kind of just popped them off even though I should have soaked them, but whatever. So that's what I was showing you right there. It's just like the discoloration because of that. And right there I have a bruise under my nail and that don't hurt really bad. I know it looks weird, but that's just all it is. So here I'm using this professional nail thingy, whatever. I don't know, it was a gift that I got when I was really young, but I did see that they have one just like this. It's in a blue container and it's at Walmart too. But I just use this and I use the regular nail file. This just kind of speeds up the process of a regular nail file. And I just go over my fingertips with this. I really get in the edges, like near my cuticle and all that stuff, because you have to kind of like rough up your nails if you want the nails to stick. This is what makes them last really long, is when you kind of like, you know, when you go to a regular nail shop and they scrape up your fingernail, you just want to get rid of that shiny coating on top, because if your nails are really shiny from oils and stuff, your nails are not going to stick. So you just want to make sure that's like kind of roughed up a bit. And so I'm just going through every single nail one by one and just kind of filing it off, and it helps actually get rid of some of that glue that I had left on there. But this kit is really old, y'all. You see it's not really working too well, so I was just showing you the glue, the shiny part right there. And after a while, like the small one, I like to start out with the small one, but we're gonna move on to this bigger one in just a second because it just wasn't doing it like I told y'all, it's old. I need to get new like little pieces and whatever. I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know what was going on. Like, you see how it just went dark like that? I don't understand it. But I'm gonna fix it in just a second. So I'm about to use an actual nail file because like the bigger one, like it was just doing what it was supposed to do, but I need something a little bit more, you know, all over. So just using a regular nail file actually works. I like the bigger one than the small one that comes in the pack. I just like to have a big nail file because it just gets everything done quicker. Okay, so after I'm done filing, I'm about to wipe my fingertips off with the acetone nail polish remover because that just really cleans off everything, almost like a rubbing alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol too, but I just use the acetone nail polish remover. And then I'm going to take my nails here and we're going to start sizing them and prepping them to fit each finger. And I love that these nails come with this Kiss, this pink gel glue. The pink glue is essential if you have like a French tip or anything like that, because the pink glue versus like the white glue looks completely different under the nails. How you get them little bubbles and stuff if you use just a regular clear glue. But the pink glue gives it like that pink and white kind of thing, like the nude where it's supposed to be. Y'all get what I'm saying, right? I'm trying to word it the best way I can, but y'all get it, right? So we just sizing the nails and stuff, and I just want to show y'all on the side here, if you see a little gap like that, that means that nail is too small for you. You got to move up a size or move on to another nail. So now we just sizing them up just to make sure. I just want to let y'all know that from trial and error, like if you see the side of your nail when you're sizing the nails, it's just too much. Either you can file down the nail like a bigger nail and file them down on the sides to make it fit, or you can just like make sure that you already shaped and filed your nails. I'm sorry, I forgot to say that I shaped and filed my nails off camera. So yeah. So now I have all 10 of my nails. They are ready. They already sized to my fingers. So now we about to start gluing. So I just take the little white card and I just dot it a little bit with the glue just to make sure that the glue is coming out evenly. In this bottle, I don't know why it was a little bit heavy, but we still gonna use it, of course. So I just gotta be careful with as much as I put on my nail. And when I put my nails on, I literally coat my entire nail bed with the glue. You see, I put like, I ain't gonna lie, I put a lot of glue on there because I just want to make sure that it stays. And then I put the nail on top. It says to hold for 5 seconds, but I hold for at least 10 to 15 because I press it like back towards the cuticle and up towards like the end of my fingertip. Like I like to press it all around to make sure it's all even, and that's how you avoid like little bubbles, air bubbles and stuff under the nails. As you can see, like you see the glue coming out on the sides. Okay, I put a little bit too much. So what I do to counteract that is I take a little bit of that acetone nail polish remover and I swipe it with the cotton pad, and I just keep swiping. I still do it when it's kind of wet so the glue doesn't dry completely, but that definitely helps if you have glue on the side so it doesn't crust up and get all on the edges of your fingers. As you can see, like you see the glue coming out on the sides. Okay, I put a little bit too much, but I'd rather put too much than not enough and have to keep re-gluing it, because most of the time when I do my nails like this, I mean, I keep my glue in my purse, but I rarely have to use the glue. Like even weeks on end, I don't have to use the glue again. And y'all, I apologize for that little piece of cotton under my thumb there. I just was using my thumb to really press down the nails. So a little bit of the cotton pad got stuck to the bottom of my nails. But that's going to go away as soon as we wash our hands when we're finished. And here's my hand washed and moisturized. And this is the final look. Don't you love these different shades of blue? It's so cute, right? It looks like I got it done at a shop. So thank y'all so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Lauren Love Lugs. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.